To check the battery health on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to download app from Google Play Store, and this app is called CPU-Z. It looks like this. If you have this app installed, then you can click on open, and here move to the battery section. After a moment, we should be able to find the battery settings. Let me restart the app, as sometimes it bugs out. We just need to wait, actually, as it takes a bit of time to show that battery settings.
All right, can we get the gun? Wait, Jit, why are we even going for the gun?
Okay, so finally we have our battery, sorry for that, and there's a health right here, and as you can see, for me it's good. You can share your battery status as well in the comments, so thanks so much for watching.